Now let's talk about this new term called a complement of an event. Well, the complement of an event is the probability of an event not happening. Not happening, okay? So if we talk about flipping a coin, let's say you wanted to get a head. Well, the complement of that is getting a tail, okay? It's the probability of it not happening, or the opposite of what you wanted to happen, is the complement of it. And there's actually an equation. If you find the probability of getting a head, if you wanted to find that, well, maybe that's really hard to find for some reason. Now, we know what it is. It's 50%. But to find the probability of getting a head is also equal to 1 minus probability of not getting a head. Now, what's the probability of not getting a head? Well, it's getting a tail. Well, what's 1 minus the probability of getting a tail? Well, that's 0.5. And that's equal to 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5, which is the probability of getting a head, which we know that's true. But this could be useful in some other situations. Let's see if it's useful down here in this problem. How do I find the probability of the complement of an event? Well, here we got this scenario. We got 3 different clubs. We got drama, mathematics, and jazz club. And the question asks us, find the probability that a randomly selected club member belongs to at least 2 clubs. Okay? So we are going to use this idea of a complement. Now, instead of finding the probability that they're in at least 2 clubs, we are going to find the probability of them being in only 1 club and subtract that from 1. So 1 minus probability of exactly 1 club. Sorry, I ran out of spot. Or space. Okay. So let's figure out what this is and subtract it from 1 to figure out what this is right here. Okay, so we have 1 minus the probability exactly 1 club. Well, let's see. Who's in exactly 1 club? We have 6 people in drama, only in drama, right? And we have 8 people only in mathematics, so let's add 8. And then we have 10 people only in 1 club of jazz, so plus 10. And if we take this plus this plus this plus this, and this, we get there are, I believe, 60 people all together. So the probability of them being exactly 1 club is 6 plus 8 plus 10. 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. So we have 1 minus 24. Did I do that right? Yeah, 24 all over 60. So that would be, let's put that in our graphing calculator, 1 minus 24 divided by 60 equals 0.6. So the probability that a student is in at least 2 clubs is equal to 0.6 or 60%. So what's the probability of them being exactly 1 club? Well, what's 100 minus 60%? That would be 40% chance that they're in exactly 1 club, if you wanted to find that as well.